Hi, it's time to practice some sounds. Our Zoophonics friends are going to help us. You remember how we used some of the stuffed animals? Let's try it. What sound does Gordo Gorilla make? G, g. How about Ollie Octopus? Ah, ah. Petey Penguin? Xavier Fox. X, x. What sound does Allie Alligator make? Ah, ah. What sound does Ellie Elephant make? Eh, eh. What sound does Robbie Rabbit make? Er. What sound does Katina Cat make? K, k. What sound does Honey Horse make? Who is next? Oh, Zeke Zebra. Zzz, zzz. What sound does Dee Dee Deer make? D, d. What sound does Bubba Bear make? B, b. Oh, hi Ko. What sound do you make? K, k. Oh, Umber. What sound do you make, Umber? Who is next? Oh, it's Francie Fish. Vincent Vampire